This is straightforward discussion on how to create your manga villain character. So let us start. Let us use the brush shape. Of course, I'm using the Adobe CC Animate 2021. And we'll be using again, of course, the lighter color for that for our guide. Okay, and of course, we need to unclick this for zoom sight with stage so that we can see, of course, the actual size of our paintbrush tool whenever we draw it, or whether in cleanup or in a rough drawing. So let us use the circle, okay, and of course, let us set this to 3. Okay, let us use this. Okay, so this is it. So when I use this, of course, let us use this color. Okay, this will serve as our guide for our bad guy character versus the good guy character. So as you can see, I'm still using the circle, small and big circle. If you were not able to watch my previous tutorial about manga character, then you better check the link below. Okay, so we have here, of course, circle, and of course we have here the face. This will serve as our guide. Okay, and this is the good guy, and then we have here the eyes, and we have here, of course, the nose. Okay, this is the good guy character. Okay, let us draw the hair. All right, you can create your own style for the hair. Okay, this is the good guy. All right, let us use the ink. Okay, darken this up. How to do that? Let us add another layer. So that's the rough drawing guide is at the bottom, and we have here the new layer for the new drawing. Okay, so let us proceed. We'll be using the black color right here. Okay, let us zoom this out, and then of course, and then use number 6 or 7, or maybe 6, 7. Then this is the eyebrow for that. This is the good guy. So you can see the difference later on between the good guy character and the bad guy character. This is a manga style of doing it. Okay, so let us use that. Then we have here. Let us ink this up. So this is the eye. Then we have here. Oops. Oops, sorry. We will lock this up. Okay. This is not to disturb our new drawing. Okay. Now let us put here, draw the nose right here. Okay. The nose. And of course, we have here the mouth. Remember, we are doing the manga drawing, or manga style of drawing. So this is the good guy. All right. Let us go back right here and of course change the size of our tool here. All right. So this is the tool. Oops. Okay. Let us clean this up later on. All right. Okay. Let us tidy our drawing. Tidy up our drawing. Okay. Tidy this up. Then, all right. So this is the good guy. Okay. And then we will finish this up. Zoom it up. Oops. Let us zoom this out. And then change our brush to 6 or 7. It's up to you. Okay. You can use 9 or 8. It depends also to your drawing. And let us draw the ears. Okay. So you can see the difference how to draw the bad guy and the good guy. So this one is the good guy. All right. And of course, we can erase this. All right. Now let us draw and finish this up. Change this to 3. Okay. Or 3 or 4. Okay. Right, that's it. And then we are now in the verge of finishing our drawing for the good guy. Okay, this is just part of our rough drawing. All right, so let us put the shadows right here, the reflections of the light at the top, and then force the here. Okay, black and white drawing, of course. So that's it. Okay, let us use this, and then we'll go right here and then change again the brush shape to 7. Then putting the speed lines right here, and of course the speed line right here. Adding what you call this, the strokes, and of course the shadow. Okay, clean this up. And this one, clean this one. Okay. Then we'll have to finish this. Oops. Change again the brush shape. So we have here, just put here, of course, the shoulders, shoulder. Okay, that's it. So we have here the good guy. Oops, we have here the finished product of our good guy character. Okay. Let us erase this thing. My bad. It was converted to the an object drawing, so I have to change this first. Oops, another wrong. Okay, that's it. Let us put shadows right here. All right. Okay, that's it. So we have here, of course, the finished product of the good guy drawing. Now let us convert this to a bad guy. How to convert this to a bad guy? It's very simple. We just modified a bit the eyes and of course the expression. So here we're gonna put some lighter color for that. Okay, here, lighter color. Okay, how to do that? So we can put here the lighter color at the side. All right, here. Don't worry, this will not ruin our drawing. And then at the same time, we're gonna change this to a different color, a lighter one. Okay, like this one. And then we're gonna put here the color here, something like that. Okay, so this is where we put the color, something like that. Okay, so this is how we do it now. Okay, something like that. Now we will gonna erase this thing. Okay, this is part of our guide, not to ruin our drawing. Okay, okay, and of course we can erase this. Okay, we can erase this. That's it. So we have here our drawing at the top. So this is the good guy character, and of course we're gonna convert this to a bad guy. How to do that? It's very simple. We just copy this and then of course modify it a bit right here. So we're gonna create here the division, the good guy versus the bad guy. So this is the good guy, and of course this is the bad guy. Anime version or manga version. So we have to modify this. Okay. Now it's very simple. As you can see, the eyes of the good guy is a bit bigger. And at the same time, if we want to fabricate a bad guy, well, of course, we have to adjust these eyes. How to do that? We adjust these eyes, and then we have to choose another. This is the right, what you call this, size of the shape. And then we will erase all of this. Okay, all of this. All right. So erase this thing, erase this, this. Okay. So for the bad guy, well, of course, let us change this to 7. And then we will exaggerate it a bit. Okay. Exaggerate it a bit. Okay. Something like that. Exaggerate it a bit here, right here. Okay. And then we're going to put some color right here. Fill this color with black. Okay. I don't want to modify the nose. Okay. Just go right here and, of course, put the eyes right here. Oops. Okay, something like that. So we have here, okay, adjusted color. And of course, we just change only the eyes. Okay. We just leave the nose at ease. And of course, the same time with the mouth. Okay, something like that. Okay, we just uh, erase this. Something like that. Okay. So we have here, just balance the eyes. Okay. Putting it to the right side. All right. Okay. And then we have here a something like shadow. Okay, something like that. Then the speed line here, right here. This is a speed line. Okay, that's very important. It provides what you call this dynamism to the character. Okay, and of course we have here the speed line for the nose. And at the same time, well, of course we have, okay, and another angle for that. This one. So this is what you call this, the version of the good guy and the bad guy. So let us put again, of course, no, dynamism for the shirts, and then the speed line right here. Let us change this to 4. Okay. So that's how you do it. That's how you create the manga version of the good guy versus the bad guy. So we, again, what you call this, we can also modify the nose, all right, to make it more dramatic. Okay, we can use these things, putting this nose right here. Okay, so this is now the bad guy, and of course this is the good guy. So it's very simple. Okay, now if you like this, don't forget to share and of course subscribe in this channel. And at the same time, please practice more, and of course click the link below for my previous tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.